glasses on. I look better with them on. Okay. Are you gonna be weird the whole time?
No. You've been recording this whole time?
Yeah, so just sit down. Oh gosh, just sit. Just sit.
Hello.
Okay, Wally. Okay.
Hey guys, so influencer sent me a coupon to go and get the Fire and Freeze Sour Patch Kids, which I did, and this was like back in the end of June is when I did this video. And I personally am not a big fan of Sour Patch Kids, but my husband is. So I asked him if he would join me to do a taste test video live for you guys, and he said yes. So that is what will be coming up next. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the next few minutes of me and my husband trying out some new candy for you.
Hey guys, so part of the vacay Vox box that I got was...
I was pointing. Are they not on that?
They're not on the screen.
There. These.
part of the box. I can't do this with you.
Sorry.
If you want to taste them, you need to behave. Okay. Part of the box was a coupon for the new Sour Patch Fire and Freeze, and so I got them both, but I got a coupon just to get one, but we have to try both. This is my husband. He wants to join in on me with this. But we're gonna do, so this is the freeze, the
Fire. Freeze.
the freeze,
Freeze.
the lemonade variety mix, and we have blue raspberry, strawberry, cherry, lime, and lemonade. You open those quietly. Open these quietly. And then we have the fire, which is berry blick. Get scissors or something. Oh gosh. Then we have the fire, which we have berry blaze, tropical flame, apple fever, angry watermelon. And then there is a note on the back of this that says contains heat sensation, may cause mouth irritation. Excessive consumption is not advisable.
Sensation.
So
They are sensational.
if you can't have excessive consumption, why did they make a bag this big?
Is it excessive?
That would be my guess. Okay, so we're gonna try one of every flavor for you guys. Give us a minute. He cheated. Yes, you did. This is the difference of what they look like. The ice ones are like frosted.
Icy. Frosted. They're frosted.
Frosted. And these ones just kind of look like regular
Fiery.
Sour Patch Kids.
Regular.
Okay, which ones do you want to try first?
Fire.
Nope, we're gonna try the
Ice.
icy one.
That's...
Because you already did.
You read my mind. Blue.
Okay.
Where's the... Where?
It's right there.
Blue.
Blue raspberry, ready?
Yep. This is a brand new sensation.
I brushed my teeth before this. This doesn't taste very good.
Don't trust her judgment. I think it tastes delicious. There is a cooling sensation as you eat it. Cools your mouth. Minty.
Yeah, it's like you're eating gum.
I thought it was delicious.
But it, like, the sensation is like a minty gum sensation, like you
I
are
love
just chewing on
sensations.
gum. Okay, let's do the cherry lime.
Cherry limeade.
No, it's just
Why-
lime. Cherry lime lemonade.
Cherry lime lemonade. It should have been cherry limeade.
These are so sour. You like
I think
these?
that one's delicious. They're really good.
They're still sour. I think it's better not be sour.
It's not very cooling. It's more just a new Sour Patch flavor. I like it a lot.
That one is. Don't you still get frosty?
Just kind of the aftertaste is minty.
It's like your
you just-
cheeks. It cools your cheeks if you put it on your cheeks, like the inside.
Oh.
Put it on your cheek this time. You'll see. What's this one? Lemonade.
Just boring lemonade.
He's not boring. He's jumping into the water. He's a thrill seeker.
That was my least favorite of the 3 that we've tried. That just tasted like a lemon.
Me
Kinda
too.
Puckery, soury, not
It
good
wasn't.
soury.
Strawberry lemonade. I like this one. It's probably my favorite.
That's the least sour of them all.
That's probably why it's my favorite.
I like the blue and the green.
It's good.
It's different.
It's different.
It's delicious. With a cooling sensation.
Do they have a cooling sensation?
Yes.
Is it a cooling sensation?
Sour, then sweet.
Let's do berry blaze. You ready? We're gonna do the fire ones now. That was all the freeze flavors. Oh, cleanse your palate.
Fire. With a heat sensation.
Cleanse your palate.
I don't think water cleanses your palate. We should have got like milk or something. Ginger. We should
Think of your purple
taste test videos.
Together?
Yes. Berry. Blaze.
You should have your own YouTube channel.
Blazer. Laser. Taser.
I like this.
I do not like this one. That is not good. That is not a good candy. That's really bad. It's, that is the worst candy I've ever had in my life. These are really bad.
Cry.
I can't tell you how bad that was. That was awful.
That's disgusting. I thought I liked it at first.
No.
Because it wasn't that sour, but it just had this scent emanating off of it into
This
my
is a
mouth.
bad idea. Who makes Sour Patch Kids? We need to tell them to not.
That one wasn't good at all. It might have just been the flavor. Maybe the other flavors will be better. Let's go with
Oh.
Tropical Flame. He's having a good time.
Nope. No. That's bad. That's really bad. That's awful.
You have to eat it all.
No. Someone had to test these before they sold them. Someone.
It's not that bad.
Mm-mm.
Oh, that one.
That was
You
awful.
have to eat it all.
I'm not putting another one of those in my
You
mouth.
have to. Because it burns your tongue at the end. Try it.
Nope. And I love Sour Patch Kids. Those are my favorite candies, so I'm being completely honest.
And I don't like Sour Patch Kids at all.
Those are bad.
Okay, Apple. Ready? You can't spit this one out.
This one's not as bad as the others.
But it's not good.
Mm-mm. The sour and the...
Mhm.
This isn't good.
I swallowed that whole. I just
This is bad.
drained it down.
This is really bad.
Well, that was the free bag, we'll say, because that's disgusting.
They had to do like focus groups and test stuff.
Maybe
Someone
they liked
had to
it.
pass this off.
That someone did.
Sorry, Sour Patch Kids. This is a $1 million mistake.
These ones were good.
The freeze ones are good. You should
freeze
try the
ones are
freezes. That's worth it.
One more flavor.
I was excited about Angry Watermelon.
It might not disappoint you.
That's bad. Just really bad. Don't buy a fire. Do not.
I threw up a little bit in my mouth.
That's so bad. That was my least favorite, or I hated that one the least of the 4.
That was disgusting. I'm really glad we didn't start with those.
Try these.
These are terrible.
Don't try those.
If anybody wants them,
We'll mail them to you for free. Free shipping.
go get them.
Shipping on us.
This is disgusting.
Sorry, Sour Patch Kids. Those
That was
are
a
bad.
bad idea. Ew.
There you go.
Well, thanks.
Vacay box. Thanks for the free pack of Sour Patch Kids.
Right before you go on vacay.
How convenient.
How convenient. Those are nasty.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click that thumbs up button, and as always, be polished, wear polish, and a little superstition never hurt. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.
Are you trying to show me your pecs?
Should I roll my sleeves up a little bit? Is that? No. Okay. Blue raspberry lemonade.
So pull out one for each of us.
How do you tell what's what?
He's colorblind. Oh, don't mix with my fire ones though.
Don't mix fire and ice, is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Ah. Blue raspberry.
You can't eat one yet. You just ruined this whole experiment. Spit it out.
Oh. That's delicious. There's a cooling sensation. I mean,
This was part of the whole thing. Why would you do that?
I don't.
Oh gosh.
Now the video's too long. No one's gonna watch a movie this long.
I edit it out, babe.
You fake your videos?
No. It's called I make them better.
With
No.
a cooling sensation.
No. These aren't sour then sweet.
They are. It says
These ones aren't. These ones are sour then freeze. Yes, I know.
I was right.
I was trying to be funny. He doesn't get my jokes. Okay.
What do you say to stop it?